Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a photo for your Windows account on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. In Account Settings, select Your Info. Here you can either take a photo from your files or take a new picture with the webcam. Select Browse Files and locate the image you want to use, or click Open Camera to take a photo. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.